Are you struggling with time-consuming and costly corporate training solutions? Do you need immediate training solutions without compromising quality? Worry not. ComLab India offers the perfect solution for those urgent training needs, saving your time and resources. The 4 R's of rapid e-learning form the strong pillars that drive the success of corporate training. The first R of rapid e-learning is redesign. With this strategy, you can convert your existing classroom materials into various online formats. The second R is record, where you can create quick and dirty PPT decks with voice recordings, reducing touchpoints of SMEs, saving valuable time. The third R is rebuild, in which you can transform lengthy e-learning courses into bite-sized, engaging microlearning units. The fourth R is republish, a strategy for updating legacy courses with interactivities for better engagement and ensuring multi-device compatibility. Our customer service, innovative rapid e-learning solutions, development quality, and social responsibility have enabled us to be rated among the best in the industry by e-learning industry. Contact us now to embark on a rapid and effective e-learning journey.